Hey guys, this is Thomas Talon at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2019 AR210 Yamaha jet boat, twin engine jet boat. Guys, just take this boat in on brokerage here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. As you can see, it's got the blue hull side and does come with this tandem axle trailer. Boat's in nice shape, was bought new from MarineMax. It's always been used on Lake Kiwi, which is a freshwater reservoir in upstate South Carolina. No saltwater use, complete freshwater boat. Guys, this boat has right at 135 hours on port and starboard engines. Overall, boat is in great shape. I'll give you a little walk through. Beautiful boat, nice blue hull side. Bear with me as I step aboard. As you can see on the transom, it does have the sea deck. Nice walk through. Guys, all the cushions are in great shape. This boat was stored on a lift on a covered dock and is now being stored indoors. As you can see, it's a nice clean boat. Again, 135 hours. This boat is located in Greenville, South Carolina. Guys, for more questions, please give me a call at 864-350-0145 or reach out to our Greenville, South Carolina MarineMax. Thank you and have a great day.